Student, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with SM. Today I discuss about series, reasoning. Series, two type of series. Mainly two type of series. There are mainly two types. Number one is number series. Number two is letter series. Mainly focus and important for number series in entrance exam, etc. First is number series. These are of the following types. First is arithmetic series, geometric series, mixed series, doubles series, series based on square and cube, choosing the wrong term. First is arithmetic series. Arithmetic series means the series is based on the pattern of addition or subtraction. In this the difference between the consecutive is best, sometimes they are also unequal. Arithmetic series means this series is based on the pattern of addition and subtraction. For example, question: what will come in the 37, 61, 91, 127, 169? 37 and 61 difference 24. 61 to 91 difference 30. 91 to 127 difference 36. 127 to 169 difference 42. Here is 48. Answer is 6666. 48 into 6, 217. Answer. Number 2, 28, 46, 76, 123 and 192. Difference 18, 13, 47, 69, 96. It is plus 12 and 17 plus 22 plus 27. Difference 555. With the correct answer is geometric series. This series is based on the pattern of multiplication or division. For example, 6, 12, 36, 144. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. 36 into 144. 144 into 4 is equal to, final answer is 720. Number 2, 48, 24, 36, 90 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. Correct answer is 315. Number 4, number 3, 14, 20, 30, 60, 150. Difference half 1, difference in difference 2 by 3, difference 2, 2.5 is equal to difference 3, 150. 150 into 3 is equal to 450. Correct answer is. Thank you for watching this video.